Hey guys, how's it going? Got another pretty cool horn to look at today. So this is kind of a unique one. This is a raised letter K3L, so 1, 2, and a 3. But the 3 is actually a 480 bell, so 480 hertz. It's stamped in above the Airchime on the bell, as you can see right here. Kind of an interesting thing. I don't come across these too often. I have seen them before, and I have had some in before. But they definitely sound different to me than a regular K3L and different than a K3LA. It's almost like it's almost in between a K3L and a K3LA. Not sure what the reasoning is for these horns. I don't know if it's a special order type deal for a railroad, but anyway, just kind of interesting, different. So I think you'll like this video. Like I said, this is a raised letter horn. It's a 74K tag, so it's got a little age on it. Not too old though, but anyway, it's in really good shape. Like I said, it's really strong. It does sound good. So I may eventually do a video of a K3L with a 480 bell versus just a regular K3L. See if you can see the difference. It's not, like I said, it's not real major, but there is a difference there. So anyway, y'all enjoy this one. This is the Nathan Airchime raised letter K3L with a 480 number 3.